Èkpè. Èkpè. That is the same spelling, but variance in meaning. I mean, it will confuse even an Igbo man or Igbo woman. We have Èkpè, which I say in Cross Rivers, Calabar area, Arochukwu, it means everything. And then, in addition to that Èkpè, we have Èkpè. This is just accent, just a question of the pronunciation, how it is pronounced. Èkpè. Èkpè is a very ceremonial festivity, the biggest thing, the biggest ceremony we have. We present Èkpè. That is Cross Rivers, like they don't have Èkpè. Èkpè is a different, and even the presentation, the ceremony is different from that. But what you are talking about is Èkpè. Èkpè, where you have, even the language, when they were repeatedly they mention the Yamba Èkpè. Somebody, it's a hierarchy, it's an accomplished person who has been initiated in all the various areas. That Yamba Èkpè. There's some other, when these people were dancing in this, they already were saying that. So that is Èkpè. And that is what your focus is on. You are focusing on Èkpè. So you say that there's this, but the other thing we call Èkpè, which is another type of dance. We dance. The world, what do we call world this thing? They came here for IIT, what do those people? They have it in their records and all those things. They came here to video. They spent a day here, and those things were staged.
Yeah, organized
all those things. So, what we are focused is on, and what we are interested is on, is Èkpè. Èkpè. But what I was saying, as that boy might know, when you say Èkpè, it's a different thing.
It's a society and government.
It's a society and government. But it will be difficult. It will be difficult for you to make out that difference. I'm saying, but what you are saying, what your interest is in is Èkpè, as when you have Yamba Èkpè, you have all these things. That thing alone identifies it and typifies it, makes it distinct from what other counterfeit activities people may call, which they may lump together. So I presume that what they are doing in Cuba, since they are mainly people which came from this side, it is Èkpè, and that is what we are working on.